Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I am going to show you how you can start your project from different templates. So if you're wondering where to start, so just click on the new button on the main dashboard of Autodesk Revit 2022. So when you click on new, you will get this window. It says new project, and here you can choose your desired template. So if you cannot find your desired template here, for instance, in the previous versions of Autodesk Revit till 2021, we would have an option here for Imperial and metric templates, but now we are only given these options, and by default all these options are metric, they are using metric templates. So if you open architecture template, it would be by default architecture template metric, the structure template metric, mechanical template metric. So the units and the dimensions all would be in metric template, or those would be in metric. So if you want to choose a different template, for instance you want to use an Imperial template and you can't find it here, so don't have to worry, just click on the browse. Once you in the browse, just go to your content folder where your libraries and templates have stored. Click on the templates folder. Once your templates folder is open, click on the Imperial one. So here my language is English, so I'll choose English Imperial, and here you have all these templates. So if you want to commercial template, construction template, default template, electrical, residential, mechanical, plumbing, any of the template you can use from here. Still you see we cannot find the architectural Imperial template, which we most of the time use. So you don't have to worry for that, because the default template which you see here, this default.rte, this is actually the architectural Imperial template which we have used many times in the previous videos, and you may have seen it in other tutorial videos too, which we are using Autodesk Revit 2021 and earlier versions. So just click on the default RTE, then click on open, and now you can start your project. So once you click on OK, your project would start, and now you can see we have the floor plans, the ceiling plans, elevations, and all of them. So if you want to see which units are these using, so you can just go to the any of the elevation. Once I go to any elevation, like I'm here in east elevation now, so you see our units are in feet. You can also click UN from your keyboard. I just go to the manage tab. Here you can click on the project units. Once you click on the project units, you will see the area, the angle, the distance, the density, the length, the volume, the everything would be in Imperial units. So you see the area is in square feet, the distance is in feet, the length is in feet and inches, and density is found for feet cube, and all of the rest like that. So this is how you can load your desired template in Autodesk Revit. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed and have liked this video, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.